Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski here from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a Panzerotti. And if you don't know what a Panzerotti is, it's basically just a pie that's filled with sausage and cabbage and onions. That's really all it is. It's absolutely delicious, okay? So we're gonna get started. What I got here is my skinny bread mix. You can buy it in the individual servings, or you can get it in the bulk mixes. You can do either one. And all I'm gonna do is what it says on the back, to do it with a 1/4 cup egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Oh, here's a fork. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix this up. And this is my bread mix. That's how easy these mixes are. Now, if I was going out to eat with my husband, what I would do is just stick this thing in the microwave for 90 seconds and take it with me, so that when my husband's eating bread and butter at a restaurant, I get to eat bread and butter at a restaurant, okay? And I'm not cheating. So that's what I would normally do. But right now I want to make a pie, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to spray my Dash Express, and I'm going to dump this in the Dash Express. Okay, now, I've got a class right now and everybody's gonna try it, so I'm not gonna touch this bread. But what I normally do for myself, I wet my hands and I pat it, and if I pat it, it spreads out really, really good, okay? So I'm gonna try to spread it out the best I can now. And we'll just leave it at that for now. I'll probably have to wear some gloves. Hold on a second. Here's another way to do it. I could just throw some gloves on and spray my gloves and see if that works. Or wet my gloves. Okay, there we go. See that? See how much easier that is and how faster it is? Everything. Okay, we're gonna close it for a second and let it cook. And then once it cooks for about a minute, we're gonna add the topping and then fold it in, okay? Now all I did here, I like to do lean turkey. So this is turkey sausage. It's 93% lean turkey. Actually, one of my favorite customers, Dave, made it. And the cabbage is even from his garden. So we just cut up some onions and cabbage and added some HTM seasoning to it and cooked it up, okay? So I cooked it up ahead of time so I can make myself a bunch of pies with this, okay? I'm gonna open this up now. It's getting a little bit puffy, so what I'm gonna do is put this in the middle. I'm just gonna dump some in here, okay? And I like to taste the meat. See that? You guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna try to make sure you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna fold it over. I'm gonna put my gloves on again. And fold this over. So you could always do a double mix. You could do whatever you want. Oh, that's hot. See that? Okay. See how it turned into a pie? Now I'm gonna close it again, and then in about another minute, I'm gonna flip it for 1 more minute, and then it'll be all cooked, guys, okay? Let me just wait 30 seconds while you guys are here watching. I just want to show you, I mean, guys, this thing is amazing. Even to make pies in, you can do so many different things with it. I absolutely love it. It's called a Dash Express, okay? It's not a Dash Mini. It's much bigger than a Dash Mini. The Dash Minis like make pancakes and burger buns, and I use them. Okay, I'm going to flip it over now. I use the Dash Minis for pancakes and burger buns. See how the other side of it is a little bit more brown? That's why I usually flip these, okay? And then there's the Dash Express. So the Dash Mini, one of my mixes will make like anywhere from 3 to 4 pancakes or burger buns, okay? But when I use a Dash Express, I can put the equivalent of a double mix in here. So instead of using the Dash Mini 3-4 times per mix, I can do 2 mixes at once in this thing. And that's what I love about it, is just how much bigger it is, how much better it is. All right, we're gonna cut this thing. Let you guys try it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And here's my pie, guys. I have a delicious Panzerotti. Look at this. I'm gonna cut it open so you can see. I'll use another fork. See that? See that filling on the inside? I mean, guys, especially in the winter now, comfort food. There's nothing like this, okay? Just another thing you can do with healthytreatsmarket.com mixes, okay? We love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to go on healthytreatsmarket.com and look for more recipes. Or if you live nearby, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market any Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.